Ивент тэтгэгч Захим технологи цэглэгаан барааны их дэлгүүр PC Mall.
Is this the real life? Is this just fantasy? Caught in a landslide, no escape from reality. Open your eyes, look up to the skies and see. I'm just a poor boy, I need no sympathy. Because I'm easy come, easy go, little high, little low. Anyway the wind blows doesn't really matter to me, to me. Mama just killed a man, put a gun against his head, pulled my trigger, now he's dead. Mama, life had just begun, but now I've gone and thrown it all away. Mama, need to make you cry, but I'm not back again. It's time tomorrow. Carry on, carry on. I see a little slow, a over man's Scaramouche, we'll do the fandango. Thunderbolts and lightning, very, very frightening. Galileo, Magnificat. He's just a poor boy from a poor family, sparing his life from this monstrosity.
Easy come, easy go, will you let me go?
Bismillah, no, we will not let you go. Let him go.
Bismillah, we wanna let you go.
Let him go.
Bismillah, we wanna let you go.
Let him go.
Wanna let you go.
Let him go.
Wanna let you go.
Let him go. No, 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 no.
Та бүхэн эдгээр болон бусад авиаснуудынхаа бичлэгийг үзэхийг хүсвэл Авиаслаг Монголчууд шоуны YouTube хуудсанд нэгдээрэй.
Онцгой бүтээлийг орёгоос